Hi, my name is Dr. Josef Bergmann. I'm from Munich, ophthalmologist in training, and I want to subspecialize in oculoplastic surgery. Why I've chosen ECAMS is because you get really qualified training from the basic on. That means you start with an online course, you take an online exam, so you're really prepared for the hands-on courses. There are not so many courses with quite a good structure like ECAMS, because you start with the theory, then you have the cadaveric course, then at the last you have the hands-on course. So you learn it step by step. I think this is unique for ECAMS, and I've done a lot of research, and there are not so many courses who offer such big possibility to learn it from the bottom on, and at the end you end up with the hands-on next to you with a professional trainer. So I think this is unique, and this is why I have chosen ECAMS. The great thing of ECAMS is that you have doctors from all over the world, so it's really international. The doctors, the trainers, the staff members, so it's really nice to work with them. And that's the great thing. You're diversity, diverse specialties, so everyone can learn from another, and you still get in touch. So if you're in a hospital or in a clinic, you have a really special or difficult case, you always can call the trainers or get in touch with other doctors to get an exchange how to solve the problem or how to do the surgery in this case. So that's really great, and this is what I really enjoy with ECAMS. Yes, it's absolutely worth it, because where you can find a hands-on or cadaveric course like this, so I don't think there are so many courses, and that's a great thing. And with real famous surgeons, they train you, so that's really unique. So I would say it's worth it, absolutely.